The ovens never stop burning. Black smoke billows out from Mexico City's crematoria. They're cremating here on an industrial scale, and the bodies don't stop coming. They can't cope. They're at full capacity already. The coronavirus pandemic has struck, and Mexico is powerless to stop it. Hearses queue to deliver their cargo of COVID-19 victims. There is a 3-day waiting list. In full hazmat gear, crematorium workers deliver the bodies to the huge ovens. The COVID coffins are piled up waiting to be destroyed. This is early morning, and there's lots of coffins already. They're cleared each day. Sky News has investigated this. With the help of staff, we've visited multiple morgues and spoken to and visited dozens of hospitals, cemeteries and funeral parlours. The story is always the same. They can't deal with the bodies. The fridges are full. The body bags are on gurneys, waiting for collection. In an autopsy room, the investigation tables are now redundant. They're surrounded by body bags. There is no room in the rest of the hospital's morgue facilities. In this storage room, the bodies are piled on wooden pallets. Workers say there are 3 more rooms like this, makeshift morgues. A funeral parlour worker has to pick through the corpses to find the right body to take away for cremation. This is what it's like. There are so many dead, it's hard to keep track, and in truth, this is only the beginning. Outside, a family member asks the hearse drivers to stop. He wants to see the body inside the coffin. The system is so overstretched, he wants to make sure he's about to cremate his actual family member. He, like most people we've spoken to here, doesn't trust the government or the system. It's breaking down. People are getting angry. Carlos is waiting for his sister to collect the cremated remains of her husband. He doesn't believe a single word the government says.
Claro, todos están mintiendo, obviamente. Aquí todo es una revuelta. No te van a dar números exactos, y no hablo simplemente en México, hablo en todos lugares. Aquí no te van a dar cifras exactas. Tú no te vas a saber cuántos murieron por COVID o cómo, si murieron simplemente por una gripe o un paro respiratorio.
The truly heartbreaking part of all of this is outside the crematoria. Some family members are allowed inside, but 5 is the maximum. Here they must say their goodbyes. Her uncle has died. She had no chance to say anything to him. She couldn't say goodbye, and she can't enter the crematorium. Her uncle is dead. The finality is crushing. What is staggering is the number of people being cremated and the volume of hearses and traffic. It just doesn't stop. The queues are huge. It just goes on and on. The Mexican government says that they flattened the coronavirus curve and that there's going to be a huge drop-off in the number of deaths being recorded. Our own analysis of 30 different crematoria show that that isn't the case at all. They're all working to full capacity. It means at least 600 people a day are dying here. And you can see from these queues that never ever stop. This sort of position that the Mexican government has taken is that they are winning just doesn't seem to be right. The Mexico outbreak is following the same trends seen across the world. The upward curve of death looks set to rocket. The health service can't cope, and social distancing, let alone lockdown, is largely being ignored in Mexico City. Short of a vaccine or a miracle, the effect on society from COVID-19 could be utterly catastrophic. Stuart Ramsay, Sky News, Mexico.